Hello, today is the last day of Fresno New Year for the 2023-2024 New Year, and I'm here. It's my first day. I will be showing you guys around and we'll see what they have to offer, okay? Today is a very sunny day. Yesterday it rained a little bit and then it cleared up in the afternoon. Today is the 31st, December 31st, 2023, okay? Normally this booth right here, they give out free clothing every year. But then they're not here yet. I think that they will be here later on. We are here a little bit early. Usually people don't get here till the afternoon. There are a lot of people over here. However, I'll try to go and get as much picture as possible for you guys in videos, okay? If you guys want to stop the video to read these, you guys can. It's the New Year's time, so they brought a lot of food and stuff for him. So there will be a lot of, like, sometimes it looks a little messy, but it's because it's a lot of loving around here, okay? So I'll go to this. And then these are some plain of jars.
Victor. Yeah. No idea. It did drop 3%, so we're like.
Là Fresno New Year là cái cái nào?
So pretty.
Use Priceline. They have package deals no one else has.
Have you been suffering from the after effects of a car crash? The good news is
But do this. Ready? E O B. E O B. E O B. Okay.
You want to look at more styles?
Oh no, I'm 46. Oh, sorry.